In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to purchase your domain name, and I'm going to be using Namecheap. This is how Namecheap looks like. Just ignore this honey. It's kind of it's an extension that helps me identify if there are cash rewards or promos in on a site, so I can just put it up and I will show you. I can send you the link, maybe add the link to the video so you can sign up here. So if there are any promos, I just get it without having shared with me. So the domain I want to purchase is 363 resources.com. Now, it's very important that you make sure that your spelling is correct, because when you purchase a domain, most platforms um, will not want to change it or give you a refund. So once I put it in, I'll just click on search. You don't need www or http, just the domain dot the extension, whether it's .com, .net, .org, or whatever it is, and you can click enter or just click on search, which I've clicked on. So it's going to bring it up if it's available. If it's not available, it will show other options that you could have. So here, hey, it's available. So here it's available. If you look down, you see other extensions, .net, .org, .ai, and all of that. So once it's been accepted, I'll just click on add to cart. So for this tutorial, I'm just buying the domain. So once I have done that, once I've added to cart, I've told you what SSL is. If you want to add for Namecheap for your first year with your domain, you have a free SSL attached, so you don't have to buy one. I'm not buying a WordPress hosting. If you want to buy any hosting, you can. This is WordPress, VPN, not optional. Then you have business email. Business email is also optional because you have webmail, which is absolutely free, and you can buy a premium DNS if you want, but we're not getting that. And you see other options which are not necessary. So I'm just going to go straight to checkout. So once you're checking out, you decide how many years here you want to buy the domain for. Is it 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or whatever? And you can check this box if you want to auto renew. I do not do that because this is for a client. And what if they don't want to auto renew and my money is just gone and they're requesting for 1 year? Then this domain privacy, so people do not have to see your domain or information about your domain backend. And then premium DNS. I always like getting premium DNS alongside my domain. It just makes things easy. If you click here, you see the benefit. You can access uptime, 100% uptime. You have access to support, and it's just a lot better. It's a lot easier working with, and to think it's just less than $5, so I go with it. Now these other ones are what we talked about. You really don't need them. The next thing I'm going to do, this is where honey comes in. Very fantastic. I'll just say apply coupon to see if there's any coupon on this site that can give me. My current total amount is $14.04. So I'll just find out if there's any deal. It will try out all the coupons that are available on the site to let me know if there's any deal that can give me a further discount. If none can give me a further discount, it will just let me know as well. So tell me to stick with what I have. So it's still checking. You just have to give it a few seconds. Yeah, we're done. So it's telling me that I've gotten a discount of $1.80. So I will just continue to check out. I'm not going to apply my cash back now. Don't worry. So yeah, so you see, instead of me paying $14.04, I'm paying $12.24. So the next thing I'll do is to confirm my order. Now, if you notice, when we started, I didn't sign up or sign in because I needed you to see. Now, when you come here, you need to sign in or sign up before you can complete the purchase of your domain. If you do not have an account, follow these instructions here to create your account. It's just very simple. You choose a username, your password, your first name, email address, and then you create an account. For me, I already have an account, and so I'll just apply it here and sign in to continue. We're logged in. It will give us a summary of what we're buying, the domain. Don't forget to be sure it what it is, domain privacy and premium DNS, which we'll subscribe for, The next thing is you want to confirm that your payment method, it will ask you to set your payment method if you've not, actually when you're just creating a new account. Follow the instructions and it's as easy as that. And we have all of this. Then we can now decide to pay now. I'm going to change my payment method. Now you can pay with your card or you can pay with PayPal or other means of payment. So I'm clicking on the change icon because I want to change my mode of payment. So like I told you, you can actually pay using your card or PayPal or whatever billing address that you want to. So I'm actually going to be paying using PayPal for this product, and I'll click on continue. And yeah, to bring me back here, my payment method has been selected. Then I'll just check out using PayPal. So when you want to check out using PayPal, it will redirect you to the PayPal site to actually log in and make your payments. So yeah, I've made payment. I didn't want you to see my PayPal details. So I've currently made payment. So you can use your card if you want to. And here it is. Thank you for your purchase. So this is basically how to buy a domain. You can download the receipt here or you can just leave it. It's going to be on your portal. So this is how to buy a domain or purchase a domain name.